Be out of it.
Hey guys, look at Sully. Look at Sully, man. Look at mommy.
Sully, give me that ball. Give me that ball. Give me that ball.
Left.
I'm gonna get it. I'm gonna get it.
Sully. Yeah, guys. Sully, get.
Dang it.
Juke my ankles. Ah! He just juked my ankles. He just juked my ankles.
Look at here, dog. Hang on. Oh no.
Look at my dog, Sully. He has so much energy. Mom, does Sully have so much energy?
Whew. More than me, clearly. All right.
That was actually kind of funny, Mom. Mom, hey, give me some tap on that one. Give me some tap on that one. That was kind of funny. That was kind of funny. Wait, no, I got it. Stop. Come here, boy, come here.
Who's gonna come over here?
What the heck? You were just ran in my
Sully.
mouth. I'm sorry, I was trying to get the ball.
She's like,
I'm sorry, Sully got it.
I got it!
When?
Go, Martin. Martin. Oops. Oh, man. Seriously. Oh, baby. Oh. I thought he was bringing it to me. All right, fine, Sully.
James, I got like Miguel Moreno, everybody. Hold on.
All right, Jay.
Okay, guys.